Yo, back in this shit again, nigga. Getting hotter and hotter, getting closer and closer. Feel me? Yo, listen, man, they crazy try to play me. See reels make the paper, loud noise, big hammers on my hip, wake the neighbors. Cop boys in the cut, looking in, trying cages. Smoking on that booger color weed out in Vegas. Bullets real big, nigga, please try to play us. I had you like a 3-piece wing with no flavors. Never heard of reels, you ain't trying enough. I ring bells like prison when it's time for lunch. Yo, you play me for my paper, I pop ya. Price on your head, then send them to the mobsters. Tell her how this nigga in this hood that I'm hotter. Never been on TV, but still got the Oscar. Partner, my bars got her mad like I sold him a stale Dutch. 21 Jack, I hit the game with a royal flush. Faggots everywhere, ain't no keeping them on the hush. Shoot the waves in his head, tell him throw this old brush. Leave nuts on the back, send her back where she was. I be the first presentation on the faculty, cause I came from the Bronx so the world can hear me. Throwing cane on the strip and my buzz is hairy. Since the judge likes slamming the table and saying 20, I'll make him throw a king-size bed in the cell for me. The Mac will lift a nigga up, bars is bacteria. Know where your kids eat, I shoot up the cafeteria. Murder she wrote, I know murderers with coke. Get their money as soon as they turn around, serving your throat. What nigga, I ain't jigger, I ain't splurging on the boat. What nigga, I won't hit up, fuck everybody quote. In the streets trying to figure where the fuck I was. Now I'm bleeding on tracks, niggas thinking I'm blood.